Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, so guess what? Today is the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Which product will I be using for the next 30 days for my product junkie challenge? OrganiGrow. Woo! So OrganiGrow is a company that I found on Instagram. OrganiGrow. Yes. So I found this company on Instagram, and first of all, I love supporting small businesses, so I thought, you know, why not give them a shot? So I actually started purchasing from them over a year ago, and here's just some of the products, that I have. Alright, now I will be posting a separate product junkie challenge video so you guys know what in the world I'm talking about. But for now, I'm just gonna stick to the point and tell you guys all about OrganiGrow. I'm excited to try their products. They are an organic hair company, and they just launched a new skincare line. And so far I bought their Shea Moisture for the skin. I don't know exactly what it's called, I'm sorry, and I didn't bring it in here. And something else that's in the box, so I'm excited. So for 30 days, I will only be using OrganiGrow. Organigrow Hair Co. Organigrowhair Co. Organigrow Hair Co. Not organic with the C. You gotta take the C off. Okay. So they have everything you can think of. They have shampoo, they have grow poo, pre-poo, they have hairdo, like spraying. They have a little brush that you, I'll show you in just a few seconds. Let me just get to it. I'm excited, as I will mention in a separate video, why I think it's important to focus on one product at a time or one line at a time. I'm not even going to talk about it in this video. I'm going to stay to the point. Okay, so another thing that I like about OrganiGrow is they have their products organized by your hair porosity. If you do not know what your hair porosity is, they have, you can you look it up on Instagram, you can look it up on Google. They even have something on their website. So I am a low porosity hair. I have low porosity hair, but for some reason, I don't know, maybe one day I was like, what if I really have medium high porosity hair? So I do have some of their medium and some of their low. I have to put my face next to it so the camera can focus. Ugh. Come on, camera. Guys, I'm sorry. I'll have pictures. You guys gotta follow me on Instagram. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so we have they have a Grow Poo clarifying shampoo, because if you have low porosity, this is what's meant for low porosity, because basically low porosity is prone to product buildup. So they have a Grow Poo. For some reason, I have their medium to high porosity shampoo. Another one. And shampoo. They have Mega Mangrow Moisture Milk. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention. So they have deep moisture conditioner. So like I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I originally found this company on Instagram about a year ago, and I read their reviews. They're in California. I love supporting small businesses. So I bought their products a year ago and I used it. So obviously companies change stuff. So the Grow-Teen Free Deep Moisture Conditioner used to come in this, and now it comes in this. So they're both 8 ounces. I think this is the one that changed this. Either this is the one. No, it smells back the same. I don't know what happened. And these are organic products too, so They're vegan, cruelty free, no sulfates, silicones, and all the bad stuff. They have none of it in there. I could have sworn at one point it smelled a little bit different, and because it's organic, I guess I'm not surprised, because this one smells like bubblegum to me, and I love this smell. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so this is their free deep moisture conditioner. This is the same. Excuse me. And then this is the same. Okay, this is the low. This is the same thing. And they have different lids. So this one in OrganiGrow, feel free to comment if you guys are seeing this video. I'm pretty sure. Is this not the same? Okay, Grow Teen Deep Moisture Conditioner. Grow Teen Free Deep Moisture Conditioner. Okay, so this one with the black top is medium to high. This one is low to medium. That's why. That's why. Because I guess if you have medium porosity hair, you could try either. I need to organize this. As soon as I get my beauty room together, y'all, everything will be organized. Okay, so this is the curling custard. I have a story about this. They have amazing customer service, by the way. Side note, I live in Arizona, and I don't know what happened, but for some reason I did have some mold in my product. I believe it was this one. I mean, not this one, but I believe this was the one, which is the curling custard. I emailed them, and they were like, well, first of all, you need to follow directions, because it says to keep it in the refrigerator, or keep in cool environment or refrigerated. Can you see that? No, you can't see that. Well, that's what that sticker says. Yeah, so heads up to you guys, make sure to do that. But I reached out to them via email, and they sent me a brand new one, and they're like, okay, follow directions next time. They didn't say that, but this one is for low to medium porosity hair, and this is their non-flaking, non-drying gel. It's just moisture and help you with your curls. It has, well, I'll come back to this because I'll show you guys the consistency of each of them. I'm trying to organize it right here. Okay, this is their Redo Pre-Poo. This one's medium to high porosity. What's a pre-poo? I'll explain in 1 second. This one is the low porosity Redo Pre-Poo. I used it already, but the Stimulating Scalp Beverage for low porosity hair. So this is glass, so be careful. Well, hold on, sorry, I keep reviewing. I'm going to review everything in just 1 second. Okay, this is the hairdo. It used to have a different sprayer, so they changed it. And of course, I do like this one a little better because this is just a regular sprayer. This is the hairdo for low porosity. This is a leave-in conditioner. And their newest hair product, which I'm so excited. Sorry, I gotta put my phone on silent. Which I'm so excited about is their vegan texture butter. Ooh, so excited. Okay, and this thing. Now, I don't know, because I have two of these, so I don't know if they sent me the pink one. On their website, they have a green one. So, but basically, they send you one of these. I know it's a little dirty, so don't judge me and all that good stuff. So stay tuned.